Hi, Cohen. Good job. Hi.
Hi.
What about Alec?
Hi.
And hi, Tammy.
Hi.
Yeah, hi, Tammy. You see their picture? Right there. There's their picture. Yep. And you say hi.
Hi.
Say thank you. Why you say thank you? Do you say thank you for running?
When?
You are my... Are you my friend?
Uh-huh.
Can you say friend?
Hi.
Friend. You sign friend. Good girl. Do you want to say anything else to your new friends?
No.
What?
No.
Oh, you want to sing a song? Twinkle